Well, the short answer is yes, but it doesn't need to be a new appointment to your team. Working in a building information modelling environment demands a high degree of control and integrity around how data is created, organised and shared, both within companies and within the project teams that they work for. Now, for many companies, that's going to require quite a big step change from the current way of doing things. A BIM manager, perhaps better titled as an information manager, is responsible for managing that process. They set up and manage the common data environment, a shared online space that everyone in the project has access to. They also oversee the process of information management and exchange between the different people in the project team. In the UK, the need to appoint an information manager is made explicitly clear in the BIM protocol and the wider suite of British government guidance documents. But they also make it clear that the role should be undertaken by an existing person within the project team, such as the design team leader or the main contractor's design manager. None of the activities that the role entails involve taking on any design responsibility. The really key part is that this is a managerial role to ensure that information exchange and collaborative working are facilitated in the project process. It's also really important to understand that the BIM manager isn't the person that's designated to do BIM for you. BIM is a culture and a way of working that affects everybody in all parts of an organisation. Now, for what I've just said, you probably will come across some people with the title of information manager or BIM manager, and that's probably because their organisation want to emphasise the importance of information management and have dropped the titles of design team leader or design manager altogether. You might also see courses or workshops being offered specifically for information managers or BIM managers. Some even come with certifications. These sort of things are very useful too, as it goes back to what I was saying at the beginning about the importance of integrity around information flow. That's a very big cultural step for many organisations, and training and guidance in that area is always worthwhile. It's a matter of opinion, and those who disagree with me are completely entitled to theirs, but I personally don't see a role for standalone BIM managers who look after things like software platforms, in-house product libraries, training or project support. For me, those things are essentially part of IT, the design management function, or something for designated BIM champions, people who are well placed within your organisation to assist and help with BIM implementation in the early stages alongside their current role. Of course, for very large businesses or on very large projects, the business case for those roles probably is there, but typical sized organisations shouldn't feel the need to expand their teams now with fresh appointments. Find out more about the role of BIM or information managers at this link.